right, now let's continue with our sound games. I'll say the word and you think and say the first sound of the word. Are you ready? You could do it with us, okay? Ready. Okay, we got duck. Duck. That's right. That first sound is D. Okay, let's do some more. Come on. Pig. Pig. Hen. Hen. Horse. Horse. Oh, wait a minute. Horse, hen. They both start with H, don't they? The same sound. Yes. Horse. Hen. That's right. Good job, raccoon. Okay. Cow. Ow. Barn. Very good. Now let's do a few other words. Okay, here are the words. Nose. Nose. May. How about mom? Yes. How about dad? Dad. Very good. Girl. Girl. Boy. Boy. Okay, how about foot? Foot. Oh, let's do two more. How about far? Far. How about near? Ear. Very good. Now we're on to our next game. We're going to put parts of words together to make a new word. That's called blending. Are you ready? Okay, let's do it. Sunshine. Sunshine! Okay, how about toolbox? Toolbox! How about the name McMuffin? McMuffin! Oh, that's a long name, isn't it? That's right. How about mama? Mama! How about daddy? Daddy! Yes, good. How about, okay, let's move on to two more words. Are you ready? Shoebox. Good. Doorknob. One last one. Someone. Very good.